can hardly stand. Listen to that northern sigh. If we don't get home, we'll die. But it's only 7 miles to Marian's. It's only 7 miles to Marian's. You can bet we're on our mind, for it's nearly supper time. And I bet there's hot biscuits in the pan. Oh, my hands feel like they're froze, and there's numbness in my toes. But it's only 5 more miles to Marian's. It's only 5 more miles to Marian's. The wind's howling and it seems mighty like a woman's scream, and we best be moving faster if we can. And just think about that barn with the hay so soft and warm, for it's only 4 more miles to Marian's. It's only 3 more miles to Marian's. Get up, you ornery cuss, or you'll be the death of us. I'm so weary, but I'll help you if I can. Alright, Dan, perhaps it's the best if we stop a while and rest, for it's still 100 yards to Marian's. Still 100 yards to Marian's. Late that night, the storm was gone, and they found him there at dawn. He'd have made it, but he just couldn't leave old Dan. Yes, they found him there on the plains, with his hands froze to the reins. He was just 100 yards from Marian's. He was just 100